In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Wix online store. Start by signing into your Wix account. From your dashboard, click Create New Site if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing website that you want to turn into an online store. Next, choose Online Store as your website type. You can let Wix create your site with AI or select a template if you prefer to customize it yourself. After that, once your website opens in the Wix editor, click Add Apps if Wix Stores hasn't already been added. Search for Wix Stores, then click Add to Site. Now open your site's dashboard and click Catalog, then Products. Click Add Product and enter your product name, description, price, images, and any other details. Save your product when you're finished. Next, go to Settings, then Accept Payments to connect your preferred payment provider. After that, review your shipping, tax, and checkout settings so your store is ready to accept orders. Finally, preview your website, publish your changes, and place a test order to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Wix online store. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.